at what's new in HyperLynx DRC in the 2604 release. The Creepage Batch Wizard that debuted in the previous release has usability improvements in 2604. The application launcher can now invoke the Creepage Wizard directly from within HyperLynx DRC. Previously, the wizard was launched from the install as a utility and is now directly implemented. The Creepage Batch Wizard streamlines creepage checking from layout. The wizard can perform a multi-layers creepage batch check for clearance rules defined by net classes in Xpedition Constraint Manager. A share list report will be generated with any violations found in the run. The number of violations are now reported directly in the wizard prior to opening the report, and a 0 displays if no violations are found. The Creepage Wizard has been enhanced for better usability, adding the unit's measurement information directly into the column for distance. Tooltips have been added as well. Here, hovering over the layers column shows what parameters the user can input to target specific layers or groupings of layers on their board to run the creepage batch check on. Along with other Siemens EDA tools, a product support copilot has been added to HyperLynx DRC. Now, users can ask the copilot questions about the tool documentation. This integrated AI client interface can streamline questions you have about features and engage with product documentation through natural language queries. In this example, I'm having it summarize all the rules that perform electrical checks around vias on a PCB from HyperLynx DRC. Next, I ask it about the out-of-the-box EMI rule category, and it gives a brief description of those rules that I can use. Enjoy exploring the new product copilot support feature within the tool. Some other changes in this release include some rule updates. The decoupling capacitor placement rule has enhanced validation. The acute angle rule has been refined to eliminate false violations. The net length rule has a new violation visualization in the board viewer. The component alignment rule has upgraded accuracy. The 2604 release focuses extensively on addressing areas leading to clear improvements in stability, completeness, and overall quality, establishing a more resilient foundation for future updates. This includes enhancing the scripting environment with action script support. The results review process has been improved, including current versus previous comparison behavior, and navigation now keeps prior results visible.